Morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I'm going to start vlog series on my YouTube channel, and I will try to upload my daily routine and daily activities. I'll try my best to make videos as much as I can because I'm really lazy in that. And if you notice, I got a spike. I got this from Shopee and it was cheaper, but the quality is good. At least you can hear my voice clearly now, and I can make live videos. And uh, today I'm going to make my first vlog, and I don't know how to just casually wander around and make videos like that and speak in front of people, but I'll try my best to overcome my introversy. So yeah, I don't know if that word is exist or not, but yeah, I'm introvert, so I don't like to make uh, speaking videos in front of public because everyone will look around you. But yeah, let's go and spend the day with me. So guys, I'm going to kitchen to make my breakfast today because I got my grocery yesterday. So yes, but bad news is today is a power breakdown day in our hostel. So see much light. Let me show you. Only one light. Everything is out. It's so horrible to see less lights. Uh, let's go to the kitchen now. Cleaners are already here. We came in the kitchen. Yes. So the power breakdown has started. From 9 a.m. and it will last till 6 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, we are going to be out of electricity and internet in our hostels for like whole day now. So what I'm gonna do, that I'll make my breakfast, and obviously I'll go down by stairs and see if I can find light in the university because I need fan. It's humid. Sorry, I cannot carry my mobile phone with one hand because it's really hard. So yeah, let's make breakfast then. So guys, I'm just thinking what should I make for breakfast, and I have a lot of options. I have option of roti, but I have to just make the dough first. But I'm not like in a mood to make my hands dirty. So I have options of roti. I have options of bread and eggs, and I have options of making a proper meal for lunch. So it can be dal chawal, it can be biryani, or it can be pulao. So I'm thinking to make the easiest one. So I think dal chawal will be better, right? So let's make dal chawal. So I'm going to make dal chawal in from grocery today. I got uh, masoor ki dal and I got moong masoor ki dal, and I don't know what they call it in English. And chawal. So these were the cheapest one. I got this from Lulu, and it was of I guess 16, and they are 5 kg. So for me, Lulu is the cheapest, and obviously I get Pakistani Indian food from there. So I mostly shop from Lulu. And if you are like craving for such kind of things, and if you are not getting these things in any other mall or any other grocery store, then you can check on Lulu. Lulu also have online application, so you can check on their application as well and order, and it will depend on your location how much delivery charges they're going to take. For Bukit Jalil, they're taking 12 ringgits delivery charges only. So yeah, you can go there by LRD, or you can get it online to you. Well, yeah. So I'm going to make dal chawal today, and I have a lot of dishes to wash. So let's do it first, and then afterwards we can start. So I'm going to fast forward this. All right. Oh, I have to take my soap from this. So guys, I have put dal on the pressure cooker and rice on the other stove. So let's see how they turn out to be, because I'm not a professional cook. So guys, two of my things are in cooking. I want to tell you that I bought this from Pakistan. You should bring this because if you're living in hostel, it's really difficult to stain your rice. So I got this. I'll put the rice in, bring the water, and yeah, it's more convenient. If you're easy with doing in the pot, then it's okay. But if you need convenience, then use this one. Alright? So see, it looks so nice now. I don't know if we can put the uh, whole thing inside or not, but it looks so nice. I will use the dal tanka. I'm sorry, I burnt. I burnt it. And the dal looks so nice. The smell is so good, man. It's so good. We are gonna put this inside the dal. And we're gonna put it back on the stove. And this is the sink. This looks really, really nice. And the rice also looks nice. Let me show you guys. Yeah, look at this. The dal looks so nice. And let's look at the rice. Ooh. Nice now. So guys, I'm thinking to go down and eat the food. But I need to clean up the mess I made in the kitchen, and I'll make the plates ready, and then I'll show you where I'm gonna eat this food. Stay with me. So guys, I'm ready to go out and eat the food, and let me show how it looks. So I made one plate for my friend as well. So we're going out to eat the food. Guys, we're here and this is our food. And this is the location. So guys, one of my friends is taking me to some place and I don't know which place are we going to. My friend told me that it is a surprise and you will be very happy and it is free of cost, and I don't know. As you know that today is breakdown in our hostel, so we were bored and we were not working at all, so I'm going to explore. Let's go. So guys, my friend was right and we are here free of cost. Look where she bought me. Starbucks, because February is her birth month, sorry, and we'll get a free cake from here. Let's go and eat free cake. So, guys, sad story that they're out of cakes, and we wanted a cake, but they don't have it. Now we are getting caramel donut, and I don't know what my friend is getting for herself. Let's see. And it's a very sad story. I wanted a cake now, but no worries, we can have it afterwards.